Whoa.
Oh, welcome. Oh, my dear daughter-in-law. Looking as fit as bigger. Yeah, welcome. Come on, son. Oh. Yeah, that's my brave grandson. How are you? Good. Son. Yes, I hope you had a good flight.
Oh, yes, Father. Our trip was wonderful. Actually, we're glad to be back home.
Yes, we are.
Yes, there is nothing like home. Even my father used to tell me that. Nothing like home. Come on, we'll go inside.
Aha, Father. I noticed a lot of changes while we were coming back home.
Everywhere looks so different.
Yes, a lot of changes. I was just telling my wife, this can only be the handwork of an industrious king.
You can say that again, son. You know the porcupine? He may not have a gun, but it's a terrific hunter. Hey, we go inside, eh?
Okay, and Mother?
Mother is inside.
Oh,
here she comes then.
Francis. Good to see you. You look good.
Thank you, Mother.
Welcome.
Thank you.
My beautiful daughter-in-law. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
I can see that. That's my grand. Come on, boy. Wow, such a big boy now.
And how is your health, Mother?
My son, you can see I'm looking very good. My husband took very good care of me.
I trust him. I've always known him to be a very good and caring father and husband.
You can say that again.
Oh yes, why not? I would know how to take care of my wife.
You can say that again. She come in there. Welcome.
Oh, this is a glorious day. Come on, baby.
You know,
Father.
that festival is just a few months from now.
Well, that would be nice, Father. I'm very glad because I cannot wait to witness that festival for the very first time in my life.
That's a big one. Also so festival. Big festival. Especially for the gods. That's why everything is done according to the dictates of the gods.
But, Father, I would like to know, why is it done every 4 decades, unlike other festivals in our kingdom?
Eat your food. That one is confidential. Females are not supposed to know about that one.
Who cares?
That's the tradition. There are things we don't share with our...
Anyway, I'm not bothered. All that I'm bothered about now is for Francis and Cassandra to give me a second grandchild.
Mother, it's not late yet.
It is my son. Michael is all grown now. Give me a second grandchild.
All right. We're working towards it.
Put more effort. That's just all that I'm bothered about. Cassandra, I hope you're part of this discussion. Yes, ma'am. Do something about it. Anyway, I'm not bothered. All that I'm bothered about now is for Francis and Cassandra to give me a second grandchild.
Mother, it's not late yet.
It is my son. Michael is all grown now. Give me a second grandchild.
All right. We're working towards it.
Put more effort. That's just all that I'm bothered about.
Hello? Oh, yes. I just landed. I'm in Nigeria now. It's not easy. I just left the airport. I'm heading straight to my village. It's good to be home. Okay, see you. Wow. Home sweet home. Mama? Mama? Mama, it's me. Mama. Mama, how are you?
Look at you. Fine. You're back.
Yes, Mama. I'm back.
Tell us.
Mama, where is Papa?
He's inside. Papa, Conise! Your son is back, oh! Hey, brother!
How are you?
I'm fine, brother.
Papa?
Come and see your son is back.
Hey, brother, welcome.
Colin.
Papa.
Colin, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Now, so you decided to give us a surprise return, eh?
Yes.
Oh, my dear. Hey.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Yes.
Hey, give me your... Hey, brother.
Look at you. Where are his things?
I'm with it, yes.
Are you sure you
Brother?
brought
Welcome.
everything?
Welcome.
You didn't leave anyone. Okay, bye. Hey, my son.
Mama, come and help me. I'm carrying his bag.
Let's go.
Brother, see, you take me to America so that that girl that used to insult me, Cheta and Precious, when I come back, they'll respect me.
Hey, Charity. Mama. You want to go to America? You will finish your studies first.
Charity,
Brother.
that is no problem. But that will be after you must have acquired your first degree. To become unknown.
Now, listen very carefully, Charity.
Papa.
If I were you, I would take my studies very seriously.
Oh.
Look at your brother here. He's ready to take you to anywhere. He's ready to do anything for you so that you can be useful tomorrow. Okay?
Onyogia. Auntie Obodo Igbo.
Papa?
My dear.
I'll be starting work here by next week.
Ewo.
Yes, I'll be starting the project of a new building.
Hi!
This one will be demolished.
You mean you are going to bring this house down?
Yes, Papa, I will.
No. No, wait. Right? Wait for some time so you accumulate money. Because, just wait. You can't just do it just like that. Abi?
My son, the father is right. Let us wait. We are not in a hurry to leave this house.
Yes.
We are not in a hurry. I believe that God's time is the best. Enough money to start from foundation. Then we can pack in.
Papa, as a matter of fact, before I left London, I bought a house in the city through my friend who is a real estate manager.
Ah! Yes. Hey! Hey!
Yeah, so all of us will be staying there while the projects go on.
Immediately. Hey!
God has really blessed him.
My daughter, I can't stop thanking God for what he has done for me and my family. Hey! Take a look at this beautiful house. Hey! I can't imagine me living in a fine house, big house like this. Ha! God is good indeed.
Mama, me too. Imagine me in this big house. Mama, God is wonderful.
God, my daughter, God is good. God has answered our prayer. Hey! Come and see her.
Mama. Are you still dancing?
Brother?
Yes, oh my son. God is good. He did not let me down as my enemies anticipated. Hi!
Oh yes, Mama. The Lord is good. But you can't go on dancing all day.
He says it. I will continue to dance to the glory of the Almighty God for what he has done for me. I will dance. What is wrong in dancing? I will dance forever. Hi!
Alright, Mama. Alright. Mama, let me quickly run down to the village to see how Papa is doing at the site.
Hey.
Charity.
Okay, my son.
Take care of Mama, okay?
Okay, brother.
My son, go well. May the peace of the Lord be with you.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen, Mama.
Amen.
Come and see.
Mama.
Now sit down there.
Wait a minute. Is this not Tina?
Come on.
Let me check if she's online. Oh, damn it! She's not. engineer. Hello, engineer. Oh, you want to see me? Okay. I'll be on my way right away. Just tell my father to wait for me. I'm coming. Immediately.
Huh? Okay. Are you going out?
Yes, Mama. The engineer just called me that my attention is needed in the village. So let me hurry to meet them up.
Hey, before I forget, we will be having a visitor here tomorrow.
A visitor?
Yes.
Okay, let's talk about it when I come back, okay?
But you...
Mama, let's talk about it when I'm back, please. Thank you.
Your Highness, provided the kola nut does not prove deceptive, the alligator pepper will also be dependable. Let us not jump into conclusion yet until we hear from the people of Umoetiti.
Greetings, Your Highness. In support of what Iche Ikeze has said, let us send delegates to Umoetiti and find out from their Igwe why they should encroach into our land. After that, we know what to do.
Igwe change the one. Iche Ikeze and Akolisa here, they have spoken very, very well. We all here are all aware of the cordiality that has been existing between this kingdom and that of Umoetiti. Igwe, let me ask, why this sudden encroachment into our land? Why, Igwe? But let me also advise, we must not fold our hands over this matter. Igwe, we must do something and do it very, very fast. Ekuchamo.
Elders, Igwe, I thank you all. You've spoken well, and I appreciate your various contributions. Umoetiti has been a good neighbor to us, but that doesn't mean that we're going to fold our arms and watch things get out of hand. Communicate with other cabinet members. We shall meet here tomorrow and decide what to do next.
In that case, Igwe should be on our way now. Okay, Igwe.
Charity, please take the things inside. I will soon be with you. Let me check if I can be lucky. Everything is on the line today. I'll soon be with you. Hello, Tina. Hello, Tina. How are you? I'm fine. Gosh. Why would my subscription finish now? Oh, God. Why would you end now? I think I have to recharge.
I hope you're okay.
I'm fine.
Please do feel very comfortable, eh?
Okay, ma.
My son will soon be back.
Okay, ma.
Your drink?
Yeah.
Oh, he's back. Collins, you're welcome.
Oh, thank you, Mama.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
She's Favor.
Favor, you're welcome.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Mama, I'll go out, please.
Don't worry, eh? Just relax, eh? You'll still see him.
Okay, ma.
Message. Hello, Collins, it's me, Tina. Please contact me through this phone number so that we can talk. Good night. Okay. Come in.
Collins. Collins.
Yes, Mama.
You have been busy with this phone all day. What is it?
Yes, Mama, I have been chatting with my friends. You should know now.
I waited for you to come down to meet our visitor, but I didn't see you. Why?
Mama, I never knew you needed my presence.
Collins.
Yes. Okay. Wish.
She's Favor. Her name is Favor. The girl I told you that is from a God-fearing family. Her parents are very nice, very religious, and she's a nice girl. She is well brought up. I like her so much. I want you to marry her. I know she will make a good wife for my son.
Mama, you seem to be in a hurry to have a daughter-in-law. Why?
What are we waiting for? Are you a chendocha? Yeah! Bikokwa, I want my son to get married and start having children. I need grandchildren. Not one, children. You are a very rich man now. So what are we waiting for? Diego. Get married and start having your own family.
Okay, Mama. I've heard what you said. Later, we are going to discuss all of this in details, okay? But for now, I am still busy. Please, Biko normal.
An happy phone. An happy. Mommy, here one happy. I don't know what you are pressing there, but whatever it is, I know you have heard me, and I know you will do something about it. So, I will go so that I will not disturb you.
Yes, Mama.
Think about it.
Mama, I said we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. Please, just go. Let me continue.
I know you will make your mother happy. No problem. I'm going. I don't want to disturb you.
Okay.
Take care, my son.
Mama.
Mama. Okay.
coffee is ready.
Put it there. Go there. Sit down. I want all the maidens, and indeed everybody in this palace, brought here immediately.
Father, I have talked to virtually everyone in the palace. Nobody seems to know her whereabouts.
This is the second time a maiden is disappearing in this palace. Eh?
Second time.
Yes.
My queen, I suspect she may have run away.
No, that's not possible. There is no way she could have left this palace without anyone seeing her. The first maiden that left, did she also run away?
Father, a stitch in time, they say, saves 9. If this kind of mysterious incident keeps occurring, well, that means we're all in trouble in this palace.
Well, get to the area command then, and have them search diligently for this girl. She must be found.
Baby, Ngozi, I am so scared to my woman. I am very scared. Wait, why will our colleagues be missing in this palace like that? Why?
I want both of you to understand that this palace knows what happened to Ada and the first maiden that disappeared from here.
Belly, be very careful. Look at the ones, they have ears.
Let the ones have ears. This morning, before Ada took that morning tea to the Igwe, she told me, and she never returned.
Wait a minute. Are you very sure with what you're saying? Are you very sure? Oh, that means the Igwe knows what happened to her. The Igwe knows it, about that.
Ifoma, do not quote me anywhere. I'm only giving you information.
My king, don't you think you should take a trip down to Umuetiti? You have to talk to Chief Omekago. He's your childhood friend. Find out from him why he suddenly turned against you.
Omekago is daring me. But I do not need to hide in shooting a bush baby. Because bush baby. What's that?
I don't know.
What's that noise?
Your Highness.
Yes, come here, my friend. What is it?
They are the youth of this kingdom. They are here to see you.
Let them in.
Yes, Your Highness.
mess. The people of Umwe Titi, they ambushed us at Umwe Titi land. They killed all of our men and made away with their bodies. Right now they have taken over Umwe Titi land and we narrowly escaped.
Eh? Hey.
Omekago sent his men and they did this! This to you!
They did this to me, Igwe.
Omekago, if a child disturbs the sleep of Eronganga the bird, Eronganga will in turn distract the child from running errands for his mother. Omekago, bitten more than you can chew.
The number of youths that have lost their life to this fight with Umwetiti is getting out of hand. I think you should talk to your father. I believe he can put a stop to it.
My father is not a coward. He will not let Omekago take what belongs to this land, this kingdom of Oji. Never.
Francis, people are losing their lives, I said. People are dying, people's children.
It's normal. It's called patriotism. They're simply laying down their lives to protect their fatherland. It's very normal. It happens everywhere in the world.
No, Francis, it's very, very unfair. I believe dialoguing this thing out will help everybody in the situation. Dialogue.
Dialogue with who? Omekago. That's not possible. Nobody can dialogue with him. Omekago will pay dearly for everything he has done. Has he not disrupted the Osusu festival? You want him to go scot-free? Never. I say it again, never. He will pay. He will pay.
Wow, Collins. So you say you have been around for 3 weeks now?
Yeah, oh yeah, I came in 3 weeks ago. Oh my goodness. You are looking so beautiful and big.
Are you serious? Thank you very much. Wow, I never knew I could meet someone like you again. After your NYS, you just vanished like that.
Tina, I'm sorry. I never planned it that way. I never knew it would happen that way.
Well, the most important thing is that God has made it possible for us to see again.
Yes.
I'm so happy to see.
Thank you. Tina, where is your friend Cassandra? Where is she now? I really want to see her.
I've not really heard from her.
Are you trying to tell me that you have not seen your best friend ever since the both of you left school? Oh, come on.
No, I don't. We lost contact.
Are you trying to say you don't have a phone number?
Listen, I lost my handset and I couldn't do the welcome back.
And you have not visited her ever since then?
I don't know her place.
How can you say that? I thought you know her town.
What am I going to do now? Do I tell him the truth? It might hurt his feelings. I warned Cassandra about this. I knew he must surely come back for her.
Cassandra, what happened to you? I've been looking for you everywhere.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Collins. Please forgive me.
It's okay.
You did nothing wrong to me. I'm here for you, okay? I'll take care of you.
I can't stay here. I have to go. I didn't mean for any of this to happen.
Cassandra! Cassandra, please come back. I love you. Cassandra. It's a dream. What's the meaning of this?
Yeah, hello? Good afternoon. I'm fine, thank you. Please, can we meet at that restaurant? Yes, right now. I'm dressing up already. Okay. Okay.
So, Tina, when I woke up, I tried my best to comprehend the meaning of that dream, but I couldn't.
Maybe you were thinking about her all day.
I can't tell. Tina, to be frank with you, from that moment on, I have not been myself. Tina, please, tell me, why did you ask to see me?
It's about Cassandra.
Really? Please, Tina, tell me. I know you're hiding something from me. Please tell me everything you're hiding about Cassandra, please.
Well, I know someone that can lead you to her.
So, where can I find him or her?
Inside here. You're not ready?
No, but I'll be done in 5 minutes. I'm almost done.
Good afternoon. Please, I am looking for someone. Her name is Cassandra. Please, can you let me get to her?
I can't possibly let you because I don't know who you are.
I was told by her friend that she lives here.
Is she one of the maidens?
I can't tell, but someone told me she lives here. Please, just help me. Assist me, please.
All right, we'll wait for you outside.
Okay, but...
We're already running late and you know that.
Please, I want to take you
don't know you. I can't let you in. I don't know you. I can't let you in.
Hey, what is going on?
Say what you like, but I'm not listening. My mind's made up, I know what I'm doing. She touched my heart in a special way. I won't give in, I won't give up. Can't let her go away. She's mine. That girl is mine. She blows my mind. She looks so fine. The girl is mine. That girl is mine. She blows my mind. She looks so fine. The girl is mine. That girl is mine. She blows my mind. She looks so fine. The girl is mine. That girl is mine. She blows my mind. She looks so fine. The girl is mine. That girl is mine. She blows my mind. She looks so fine. The girl is mine. That girl is mine. She blows my mind. She looks so fine. The girl is mine.
You ingrate.
What have I done to you now?
You're asking me? You better wipe those crocodile tears from your eyes before I kill you with my bare hands!
Francis, why are you acting this way? Why?
How did that bastard know that you're here? Huh? Who told him you're here in this palace?
I swear I don't even know!
You liar! You are having a secret affair with him.
Francis!
And I will hit you again if you call my name! The king will hear this.
Collins! Collins, please open the door. It's your mother.
Mother, please, I want to be left alone. Please go away.
Collins! I said open the door, please. It's very important. It's
Mama, I
very
said
important.
go! I said go, please! Go! What is Cassandra doing in that palace with that beast called Francis? What is she doing there? Hello, Tina, are you there?
Sorry, I didn't know how to tell you.
How to tell me what?
I didn't know how to break the news to you.
What news are you talking about? Hello, Tina, talk to me. Are you there?
Hello.
Tina, talk to me.
Cassandra got married to Prince Francis 3 years ago. Hello, Collins. What is all this? Eh? What have I gotten myself into? I should have insisted that I know nothing about Cassandra's whereabouts. What have I gotten myself into? Hey.
I met her in the university when I was in my second year. And at that time, she was a first-year student. I never had another girlfriend. Because she meant the world to me. She meant everything to me.
Hi. Hi. Good day. Please, I'm looking for the HOD's office.
Okay, are you a new student?
Yes.
All right, come, let me show you to.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
My dear, that is what they normally do. Don't worry, you'll see him soon.
Alright, just I'm in a haste.
Okay.
What is this really?
Stand there. Said I want to talk to you.
Well, I do not want to be talked to, especially by you.
Give me 2 minutes.
I do not have 2 minutes. Let go of me.
Hey, what's your...
Hey.
Hey. How are you?
Fine, how's lectures?
Very well.
I didn't know you recognized me.
And why won't I recognize you?
And who is he?
I don't know him. He just keeps following me about like a dog in heat.
That might be okay. That is how they go about disturbing new students.
Yeah?
By the way, I'm going for lunch. Would you mind if I ask you to join me?
Sure.
Okay, this way.
Let's go. You know that guy that was following me about the other day?
The one you said his name is Francis.
Mm-hmm. So yesterday he shows up in my room unannounced. And then he begins to blab a lot of nonsense, like how I am dating a broke-ass boy who cannot even take care of me and how much I deserve better, and I don't even know how he got to know my room.
So what does he want from you?
What else will he want? If not friendship, he wants to date me. The only reason I opened the door for him is because when I heard the knock on the door, I thought it was you.
You must be foolish. Please do not listen to him. Okay?
I won't, that's for sure.
So you listen up here.
What is it?
I see you're the one deceiving this chick. Stay away from her. Else I will chase you out of this school.
You cannot do anything to me. Friendship is not by force.
Really?
Alright. Don't say I didn't warn you.
It just shows up everywhere.
So this is what happened. Cassie, I was thinking of going home tomorrow to see if I can raise some money for my school fees.
And what will now happen to your lectures?
I have no choice. I have no choice because my results are yet to be computerized because of that.
Wow. How much do you need?
I don't understand.
I asked, how much do you need to sort yourself out? I mean, I have some money that I have no use for now. I can give it to you, so you pay your fees and stay in school. You need to be in school at this period. And again, what are friends for?
Cassie, thank you. I really don't know what to say again. You're so kind to me. Thank you very much. I promise I will never let you down.
I trust you.
Let me make tea for you. That's the only thing I have now. Let me just, please, just manage it.
Come in.
Hello.
Hey! Collins, welcome.
Welcome. I'm fine.
Welcome.
You look good.
Thank you.
Are you people going out?
Yes, today is Tina's birthday, so she's taking me out.
Beautiful. So I'm happy to be here at this hour. Tina, happy birthday.
Thank you very much. But you can join us if you don't mind.
As you can see, I have no choice. But am I free to go?
Yeah, you look good. Let's go.
Serious?
Yeah. It's your birthday, views on you.
Yes, yeah. I'm ready.
Tina. You are really out to spoil us this night. This is good.
But of course, she's a big girl. She may not be as loud as most students are, but we definitely know she's a girl.
Cars. I started again. Me a big girl. I'm not a big girl, don't mind that.
Are you not a big girl? You want to deny it now?
Whatever. I'm enjoying myself here.
Enjoy yourself very well. It's my day.
Yes, it's your day.
More drinks?
Oh.
I would like to have a word with you outside. I would like to have a word with you outside.
Why won't you leave me alone? Leave me alone, Francis. I do not want to have a word with you. Not in here, not even outside. Now you may get lost.
My guy, you heard her. You heard her sound and clear. She said, leave her alone. And if you don't mind, please leave our table now.
And if I don't?
I will make you regret it. If you don't leave, I will make you regret it.
You will make me regret it.
Collins! Hey! Collins!
Jesus!
Make sure you eat your food so you can take your drugs.
Thank you for the food and the drugs. And please don't forget to go to my department and tell my course rep what happened in case there is any test. Please.
You have nothing to worry about. I'll tell him. I have to hurry now. I'm really running late for my lectures. Take it. I'll see you soon.
Officer, that's him. Arrest him.
Arrest who? You are the one that broke my head and you went ahead to call the police for me?
Officer, arrest this man.
Gentlemen, you are under arrest. And you have the right to remain silent. For whatever you do or say here will be used against you in the court of law.
Please, officer. Please, can I at least eat my food and take my drugs, please?
Alright, do that fast.
What is it? You're reading. Are you telling me you're not aware of what happened? What happened? I was told by a friend that Francis took a policeman to Collins' hostel and arrested him. Collins is now in a police custody. What? Oh my God! What police station is that? Central Police Station. Hi. Say something, please. Cassandra. Cassandra, talk to me. I'm your friend. What is the problem? Please. Cassandra, talk to me, please. I beg you. Why are you doing this? Thank God you're here.
Baby, what happened to you? Talk to me. Tina, what happened to her?
I don't know. I've been asking her since I came in.
What is the problem? What happened?
Talk to us.
Please, what Please.
He was here.
Who? Tina, what is she talking about?
I don't know. Tell us, please. Talk to us.
Who was here, baby?
Francis. He tried to rape me.
What? Tina, did you hear that?
Francis was here and he tried to rape her!
Jesus! Jesus!
Wow. That baby for my hand from this campus. I don't know anything, a warrior. Babe, chop my money, she know what chop. Don't even know what she's doing with that psycho, that popper.
Francis, for this campus, that girl must submit to you. And they tell you.
Francis, you think you can do anything you want on this campus and get away with it? I tell you, you're a big liar. You are lying. And let me tell you, this time around, you won't get away with it. You won't go free. See, I'm not here for a joke. I'm not here for a joke.
So, are you done with your project?
I defended 3 weeks ago.
Wow, that's good. So how was it?
It went well.
I know what you can do. I trust you. Because I really missed you.
Are you sure?
Of course, I'm sure.
I mean, all these secondary school girls, they are not making passes at you.
Come on. You know me. And there is no point defending myself. You know what I can do.
That's true, I know you. And I missed you too.
I have a surprise for you.
A surprise? What is it?
Please, can you close your eyes?
I close my eyes?
Yes.
Right now?
Right now, please.
Please, what are you even up to?
Just go ahead and close your eyes, please. Close your eyes.
My eyes are closed. I really don't know what you have up your sleeve.
Oh my God. Cassie, I've been waiting for a precious moment like this to pop up this big question to you. And you know very soon we'll be done with everything about school. Would you marry me?
Yes. Yes. Yes, I'll marry you, yes.
Thank you. Thank you. You love it? Thank you very much. Thank you.
Good evening. Have you slept?
Oh yes, how are you?
I'm fine. Sorry I disturbed your sleep.
It's okay, it's okay.
I can't seem to find sleep.
Worried? Why? Why are you worried? What's the matter? Hello?
Hello. I'm here.
Please talk to me. What is the problem?
Collins, I think I'm pregnant. I have not seen my period for 2 months now.
Jesus. pregnant. Are you serious?
Hello?
Hello. I can't hear you.
Hello?
My phone is off and there is no light. Jesus Christ. She's pregnant. Pregnant.
I wonder why Cassandra has refused to take my call since morning. My God, what is happening?
Papa Collins.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. How are you?
I'm very fine.
I like to be leaving in 2 weeks' time.
Yes, that's true.
That's great. I would like to see you in my office. I would want to have a word with you in my office, okay? Before you go to your lodge this afternoon.
Okay. Why are you not picking my call? Why are you rejecting my calls? Please talk to me.
I called you here to have a word with you. You see, it gives me joy to see young men who are intelligent and responsible. I have really observed you since you came to this place. I must say, you impressed me with your services here.
Thank you very much, Ma.
Let me not waste much of your time. I have something for you and I know you will not let me down.
Okay, Ma. We're not let you down.
Okay. Do you have an international passport?
Oh, no, not yet.
Okay, no problem. I will give you some money now to start processing it. I know you'll be wondering why I'm saying all this.
Yes, Ma, I do.
My eldest son lives in London and he has an establishment over there. He needs a young learned man who can help him run the place. So I recommended you.
Ma?
I recommended you. You're a good man.
Take your call. Take your call. Take your call. Jesus. Just pick up. I need you to pick up now. I need you to pick. Please, pick up. Oh, not again. Not again, please. Just pick. Just pick. What has come over her? What has come over you? Oh my God. What am I going to do now? What do I do? What do I do now? For this, I think I have to hurry before the office is closed. I think I have to hurry. Baby, please pick up your call. Pick up your call, please. Pick up your call.
That is good. I will send this to my son at Lagos to start the processing of your visa. Then when he comes back here, I will take you to his place for formal introduction.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you informed your people about this?
Yes, ma'am. I have done that already.
Okay. So you will have to start preparing, okay? Because my son won't be staying much longer by the time he comes here and go back. He will take you to London with him.
Ma, I don't know how to express how grateful I am.
No problem.
I am short of words. Thank you very much.
It's okay. You can go now.
Thank you very much, ma. May God continue to bless you.
So thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Take care of yourself.
So by this time next week, I'll be out of this country. And I've not spoken to Cassandra. God. Now I've lost the only way I can communicate at close and brothers. Traveled to London. And since I came back, I've been so desperate to know her whereabouts.
Colin.
Yes, Papa.
We have heard the story you narrated to us. One thing I want to say about this. Only one thing. This girl you are talking of is now married. He's gotten married to another man. I would advise you to let her be. She's now some other person's wife, somebody else's wife, another person's property. Whether you like it or not.
Yes, my son. Let her be. Please, let her be. I told you that I have someone I want you to get married to. Somebody from a reputable family. A nice home. A good girl. With a very good behavior. My son, her name is Favor. Marry Favor. Leave whatever you call her name. Please.
Collins, you are now a very rich man. A very rich man. And you can marry any girl you want. Anyone.
Papa.
Yes.
Witches have nothing to do with this.
I am not just worried because Cassandra is married to a man who attempted to rape her years ago. I am also worried because she has my son.
What?
Your son? Yes, my son.
Son?
Yes, son, Collins. Are you sure? The boy she has is my son.
What?
Are you sure? So the both of you should know the reason why I am worried and troubled.
Cassandra, what do you have to say about the young man who came here in the morning?
Your Highness, to be truthful to you, I honestly do not know how he got to this place.
How then do you explain his getting to know that you're here?
Well,
Father, she told him.
Keep quiet, Francis.
I don't know. May the gods take my life if what he's accusing me of is true.
You liar. Bloody liar!
Francis. Listen, both of you. I don't want to hear anything concerning this matter again in this palace. Do I make myself clear? Cassandra, ensure that that young man does not get anywhere near this palace again. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Good. Both of you, you may leave.
The only person that could have told Collins my whereabouts is Tina. But how can that be? How possible is it even, given that neither Collins nor Tina have seen each other in a long time? Who is behind this?
My son has told me everything. So he had the guts to direct your ex-boyfriend to this palace.
My queen, it's not true. I assure you.
An animal that searches for food in the night might not know that its footprints will be seen at daybreak. I know you would deny it. It's all right.
No man enters the evil forest and comes back alive. It is very dangerous for you to claim someone's child. It is dangerous.
Mama, there is no need to panic. You don't have to. I will observe every due process to find out the true paternity of that boy. I will.
Collins, Bikon. Eh? Bikon, I'm begging you. Do you want me to call my niece to beg you? Eh? Please, forget everything concerning that girl. I am very sure you don't even know how wicked that king is. That king is very wicked. And he will not allow you to cause anarchy in his kingdom. He will not. That I am very sure of.
I am not afraid of him one bit. I am not afraid of him.
I am only concerned about my son. My blood.
I am yet to understand what makes you feel you are the father of a child. You cannot even give account of how it was conceived. I can't understand this.
Mama, don't worry. This case is simple and I can handle it. You don't have to worry. I know what I'm doing.
See, Collins, I didn't know how to break the news to you. That's why I didn't tell you.
I felt betrayed, Tina. I never knew Cassandra could do such a thing to me. I never believed it.
Collins, you don't have to blame her. She felt so betrayed and abandoned after she tried many times to contact you when she had that problem. You don't have to blame her.
And is that enough reason for her to jump into marriage with a man who nearly took my life because of her? A man who nearly raped her! Damn! This is incredible! I can't believe it!
She tried contacting you several times. So it's true. So I'm right after all. Tina, I thought you were my friend. So it is you. It's you who's been feeding him all that nonsense about me. What was in it for you? What? You thought you could gain your way into his heart? You know what you are, Tina? You are nothing. Nothing but a traitor.
Oh no, she is not! She is not a traitor. You are the worst traitor I've ever seen. How dare you betray me?
Huh? Betray you? Look who is talking about betrayal. You that abandoned me when I needed you the most? Between you and I, Collins, who is the betrayer? Who?
You, Cassandra. You betrayed me! Or is it because he's a prince? Is it because he's a prince?
Don't be silly, Collins. You forced me into that marriage. Does he even have an inkling what I went through because of him? Does he?
Cassandra, you slapped me.
And I would do it 1,000 times over if I have to. Nonsense. And as for you, you and I, we are done. Done! Stay out of my path.
Cassandra! I am coming for my son. I am coming to claim my son!
Your Highness, any person who insists on watching the dark side of the veil cow must be ready to waste no water in the house. I suggest we withdraw our youth from our Ogwetiti to avoid further loss of life.
Your Highness, if I withdraw the youths, are you guaranteeing that there will be no further loss of lives? Are you?
Dialogue Your dialogue. I suggest we employ the use of dialogue to settle this dispute. There's nothing dialogue cannot bring. Let's use dialogue, Your
Dialogue! I call this a dialogue. Do you know the man we are talking about? Do you know him? Do you understand him? I know the man we are talking about. Omekago is a man that would want to keep that land. He will not let go of that land. And you are here advising dialogue. What kind of advisor are you? Dialogue, my fool.
Your Highness.
Dialogue.
Let's give it a try. There's nothing peace cannot bring. Yes.
I was about going, I'm just at it here as usual. Just going, all of a sudden you are here. Omekago.
How to Obaje? Ochendo one of a budge.
I hear you. It is done. Yes.
How to Obaje? The only man that is unchallengeable. When a strong man decides to eat pan nut, the testimony of carnal heat is normal.
Oh yes,
normal evidence for every eye to see.
Yes. Oh yes. Omekago of Umetiti, do you know that you are the greatest friend I ever had? Omekago, time has come. Time has come for us to stop that battle both of us started. After all, we have attained our target. And, Omekago, we have spilled enough blood for the great one. Don't you think so?
No. I was thinking the same. In fact, it took words out of my mouth.
Oh yes.
We shall meet tomorrow night at the temple.
Oh yes.
We have to solidify our sacrifice. I can't wait to be promoted to the higher level in our brotherhood.
Omekago. We shall see tomorrow. We shall see tomorrow. We shall see tomorrow. Tomorrow.
He really said that to you. Is that not madness? How does he think it's going to be possible? And you, what do you tell him?
I didn't tell him anything.
You mean you said nothing to a man who said he was coming here to claim his son?
Francis, exactly what would you have rather have me tell him?
And you're asking me? And you listen to me, let me tell you this. If anything happens to my son, I repeat, if anything happens to my son, I will hold you responsible and you will go in for it.
What have I done to you, Francis? Why are you breaking my heart?
And why are you planning to ruin my life by bringing that guy into our marriage? Why?
I already told you how he got to this place.
And you are part of that arrangement, so don't deny it. Get out of my sight. I said get out of my sight!
And what is going on here?
Mom, she started it. She started it. Tell her to stay away. Because by the time I'm done with her, Mom, by the time I am done with her, she will know exactly who she's married to. Bastard.
Francis!
Charity, what is happening?
Mama, he's not picking his calls.
Hey, God. Hey, God. What is the meaning of this now? I hope nothing has happened to my son. Oh, God, I hope nothing has happened to my son. He's not the type that keeps late nights. Hey, look, it's almost 12 a.m. and he's not yet back. What is the meaning of this tonight?
Charity.
Papa. Mama, I'm trying.
You were the last person to see Colin when he was leaving the house.
Yes, Papa, I was the last person.
Did he tell you where he was going?
No, he didn't. He just told me that he's coming.
Hey, God, please, don't allow my enemies to harm my son, please. Do not allow my enemies to harm my son, oh. Charity, what are you doing?
Mama,
keep on calling.
Mama is connecting. He's not picking.
Continue calling him. Continue calling him. We have to get him online.
No, it's okay. We'll cool down.
What's wrong with you?
He's not picking.
Hey, Charity, keep on trying. Keep on.
Allow her, please. Allow her.
Keep on calling him. Don't stop. Hey, God. This is so... Charity! Mama!
Hello? Hello?
What happened?
I don't know. The line dropped. Hello? Yes, good morning, sir. Yes,
He's my brother, sir. Yes, yes. My father is here. Hold on.
Hello? Hello, dear. Yes, I am his father. I'm his father. And who are you? Who are you? Ah, my son? My son? Okay, 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 okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Collins, how are you today? Doctor, I'm fine. It's just that I can't still leave this time. It still pains me. Thank God you are getting better. You'll be discharged today. Thank you, doctor. I appreciate you for all your care. Thank you. Always remember to come for your checkups. And don't be too hard on yourself when you get home. Okay. Thank you.
I might just try to succeed.
What is it?
Take a look.
Oh my God! What?
What's wrong with that psycho? Huh? I thought he has gone his way.
Oh my God. And what's the matter?
Come take a look at this.
What? How did this letter get into this palace?
I don't know. Jonah gave it to me in the morning.
God. Has your father seen this?
Papa, I have made the necessary arrangement for this case. And I am ready. So please, I want you all to calm down. I want you all to calm down. Don't let your heart trouble you, please.
Thank you, Collins. But I'm bothered about one thing. One thing.
And what is it, Papa?
What is the evidence to prove that that boy is a biological son? That boy is a biological son? Evidence.
Papa, don't bother yourself about that. When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it.
Collins,
I still insist that you withdraw this case. Withdraw this case. I don't want anything to happen to you. Please.
Mama, nothing is going to happen to me. Nothing will happen. I am covered by the law.
I am not comfortable with this. I am not comfortable with this. I'm not happy. Oh.
Mama, please. Just calm down. Everything will be fine, okay?
Well, I think I have to go to bed now.
Okay, Papa. Good night.
I still insist you withdraw this case from the cause.
Don't push me down. Has your wife seen this letter?
Yes, Father.
I want her here now.
Your Highness.
Cassandra, I hear you have seen this before.
Yes, Your Highness.
What do you think?
I don't understand it.
What do you mean you don't understand? Don't you understand what's written here?
I do.
Go. Think about it and come back in 2 hours' time.
Yes, Your Highness.
Good day, sir. Oga, someone gave me this letter outside the gate, sir.
Okay, let me have it. Inviting me to his palace. Okay. I'll go. I am not a fool, son. I have a reason for sending him that letter.
Father, he will not honor your invitation. Shouldn't have gone to that extent. You just created the impression that we are begging him.
That boy is too small for me to handle. I'm doing all this for you, son. And you must let me handle this matter the way I want.
You are not going anywhere. Collins, I repeat, you are not going anywhere. What is it? Do you want to kill me?
Look, Collins, you know we are not happy with you for going further with this case. We are not happy that you are still pursuing that case, Collins. And the people of Aboji Kingdom are still not happy with us over that battle in which many of their youths were killed. They are not happy.
Papa, the two kings have settled their differences. They have settled their differences. Was it not last week? Last week, that a man from Aboji came to marry a girl from this village. Was it not last week?
Look, Collins, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very, very careful. Igwe Ochendo is not a good man. He's evil. As your father, I'm advising you to think twice before you take any decision. Always think twice before you take any decision. Collins, think twice.
Okay. My son, please. My son, please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Please listen to what we have to do. Please listen. Listen to us. Listen to
Mama,
us.
please get up. Mama, get up.
Please, my son. Listen to what we have told you, please. Begging you. Forget about this matter. Forget about it. Even forget about the boy. It's your life we are talking about here. God will bless you with many more children. I believe that. Please.
Mama, I know. Mama, look at me. Look at me. It's not as if I want to disobey you and Papa. Mama, I am only fighting for what is mine. I am fighting for my right. Okay, what if the boy is my blood?
It's the same thing I'm saying. It's the same thing we have been talking here. What I'm saying is, forget him. Even if he's your blood, forget him. God will give you many more children. What is it? Can't you just understand
Mama,
this?
nothing will happen to me, please.
I don't have another one. I don't have any other son. I don't want to lose you. 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 I'm telling you now, I don't want to lose you.
Where is Francis? I hope you sent for him.
He's coming. Your Highness, is Cassandra aware of this arrangement?
No. I don't want her to know anything about it.
Good day, Your Highness.
Collins?
Oh, yes. You're welcome. Sit.
Collins, you're welcome. It's good you're here. I had to send for you so that we all can sit and sort out this issue amicably. All right? So, where are you from?
I'm from Umetiti, Your Highness.
Ah! There you go. I see. Umetiti. You know, your Igwe Omekago and I are good friends. Oh, Igwe Omekago. In fact, that's why we were able to sort out that land dispute in such a record time. Yes, but that's by the way. You're here today, and we are looking forward to your becoming a good friend of this royal family. And I hope you appreciate that.
Your Highness, what is good is good.
Beautiful. Yes. Now then, Collins, I want you to put in the past whatever that happened between you and my son here. Sweep everything into the past. I'm going to give you a check of 5 million naira so that we forget everything about that issue. And anything you are holding against my son, you have to withdraw. Okay?
Your Highness, are you paying me off to forget my son?
And who is your son? Huh? Who is your son? Father, I told you not to bring this bastard here. Who is your son? Tell me!
Francis. Francis!
Father.
Sit down. See, my son. I'm not a fool to have invited you over. You see, I'm just trying to extend the olive branch to you. All I want is peace. Right? So, I give you the 5 million naira and we forget about that matter. I don't even want to know who is right or who is wrong.
Very well then. Thank you very much, Your Highness. But I'm sorry to disappoint you. I will not be able to accept the money.
Francis, see you in court.
Father, you see it. Huh? Imagine what you just did to yourself. You just insulted yourself. Huh? Did you see it? I told you not to invite this bastard here. See what you just lost. Just insulted yourself and insulted me. Insulted the entire whole family. I can't just say, don't get this bastard here. You know why? What sort of that is not possible. I don't have to beg him or offer him money. Who is he? Michael is my son.
What's happening?
And you're asking me what's happening? Huh? You're asking me what's happening? Are you not the one who caused all this? Are you not the one who put me in this mess? Huh? And you're here asking me questions. Just shut up. Don't even blame anyone. I blame Father for inviting that lowlife to this palace. He can take the case wherever he wants to. Michael is my son. Nobody can change that.
What exactly are you talking about, Francis? You need to let me in on this.
Mom, you see it. You see it. I told you that stupid move only suggests that Father is in doubt of my paternity over Michael. You see it.
But you know that's not true. And please stop saying that. Now go down there and see your father.
I don't want to see him. I'm pissed off. I'm going somewhere else.
You had better go and talk to that ex ex-boyfriend of yours before he lands himself into trouble.
What are you doing in my house?
I need your help. I need your help. I'm very sorry for my outburst the last time I came here. Please.
You need my help. After you must have embarrassed me and told you that we are done. Huh?
I need you to help me talk to Collins. Help me talk to him before he ruins something, before he ruins my life. Please.
You want me, Tina, to talk to Collins? Really?
Excuse me. Tina.
You can say what you like, but I'm not listening. My mind's made up, I know what I'm doing. She touched my heart in a special way. I won't give in, I won't give up. Can't let her go away. She's mine. That girl is mine. She blows my mind. She looks so fine. The girl is mine. That girl is mine. She blows my mind. She looks so fine. The girl is mine. That girl.
I'm adjourning this case. So the parties involved are expected or directed by this honorable court to go for their DNA test in the State General Hospital. They should bring results in the next sitting. Having said that, therefore, the councils should pick a date for the next hearing. They should do that without wasting our time, please.
This check is for 2 million naira. It's for you.
2 million? From me?
Dr. Luke, do you know what the toad said?
Tell me, Your Highness.
The toad said that he has decided to adopt a combat posture because he heard that the man coming to see him is a good wrestler. I have seen the way that boy is going about this case. I too have decided not to rest on my horse. I have decided to do something, and that's why I'm here.
You've made a wise decision, Your Highness. You have nothing to be afraid of.
Beautiful. Very good.
Your Highness.
I shall take my leave. The rest is up to you.
I will do as requested.
Why are you doing this to me? I thought you walked away from my life for good. Now you are back to ruin me. What have I done to you? God. I have to do something before it's too late. I have to.
Cassandra, I don't know what you're doing in my house again. I've told you to leave me alone. Leave me alone, please. I don't want to get involved in this matter again, please.
Tina, you're the closest friend I've ever had.
Are you serious? I thought you called me a traitor.
I need your help. I know that you can help me. Talk to Collins. Beg him on my behalf. Beg him to withdraw the case from court. That's all I ask for.
I have one question for you, Cassandra. Was I the one that told Collins to take the case to court in the first place?
Huh? My marriage is in danger. Just talk to Collins. I believe he will listen to you.
Listen to me, my good friend, like you called yourself. Like I told you before, count me out of this case. I don't want to have anything to do with you or any case concerning you again. Because I don't want you to come to my house and start calling me names again. You hear me? Have a nice day.
You can say what you like, but I'm not listening. Oh, my mind's made up, I know what I'm doing. Oh, she touched my heart, oh, in a special way. Oh, I won't give in, I won't give up, can't let her go away. Oh, she's mine, that girl is mine, she blows my mind, she looks so fine. The girl is mine, that girl is mine, she blows my mind, she looks so fine. The girl is mine, that girl is mine, she blows my mind, she looks so fine. The girl is mine.
Where are you coming from?
I went to see a friend.
Which friend?
Tina.
What took you to Tina's place?
Oh, enough. Enough already, Francis. Do I have to explain my every move to you? Give it a rest already.
Cassandra, get back here! Cassandra! You listen to me. You must tell me why you went to Tina's house.
I'm not telling you. Kill me if you want to.
I'm giving you 5 seconds to tell me why you went there. 1, 2.
And I said, kill me.
3.
Because that's all I want.
That's what you want.
Francis! Stop it!
Hey, you want me to kill you? That's what you want, right? Hey?
Good day, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. You're welcome.
This is Dr. Luke's office. So where is he?
It is, sir, but he's not around.
What do you mean he's not around? I have an arrangement to see him here now. Where is he?
Actually, Dr. Luke had a fatal accident on his way to work this morning. As I speak to you right now, he's lying unconscious.
Young man, don't joke with me. I want to see Dr. Luke. Take me to see him. I want him.
I'm sorry, sir, you can't.
What do you mean I can't? Take me to Dr. Luke now, or I will eat you raw!
Excuse me, sir.
Father!
Jesus.
So what's going on? Doctor, what's going on? What was that about?
I don't know. He was asking me about Dr. Luke. Honestly, I don't really know what is happening here. I don't know. I'm just confused.
Father.
I've gone through these DNA results. I must inform that none of these two parties match up with the little boy's DNA. Based on this honorable court gives her judgment. One, it is contrary to the natural justice, equity, and good consciousness to allow the plaintiff to claim the child of another man. Two, though the defendant is not the biological father of the child in question, he should be allowed to continue looking after the child until the biological father is found.
leaving this house today. Hear me? You and your bastard son, you're leaving this house. I'm going in there to pack everything that belongs to you. And throw it out. And don't talk.
Collins. I will forget about this issue and face the future.
No, Papa. No! I cannot face the future without my son. There is a foul play somewhere. I know what I'm saying. There is a foul play. Okay, now, if Francis is not the father of the boy, and I am not the father of the boy, who then is the father? Who?
Collins! What is wrong with you? Why are you being stubborn? Huh? The court's decision is final. So what do you want to do about this now? What do you want to do about this matter now?
I cannot stop. I will not stop until I get my son back to me. Yes, that boy is my son.
Collins. Collins! Collins! How many times did I call you? How many times did I call you? Now you listen. A housefly that does not have an advisor enters the grave with the corpse.
Yes. Yes. Why are you sounding like this? Mama, why are you sounding like this? Okay, Mama. Is it now a crime for someone to fight for what belongs to him? Is it now a crime? No, Papa, tell me. Is it a crime?
Collins, think twice. Think twice before you start saying, had I known. Think twice, my son.
Papa, there will be no had I known. No court, no judge can deprive me of what belongs to me. I must have my son back to me. I must take my son. No court. Don't give me that no court.
Francis, a person who has run a race should not start panting like a woman. You have lived with your wife happily. Why now?
Well, I don't understand what you're talking about. I totally do not understand what you're talking about. Cassandra is no longer my wife.
Will you shut up? What's come over you? Are you out of your mind?
I am not out of my mind, Father. I am in my right senses. And I have taken a decision, and that decision stands. It's my life.
Excuse me, listen. Francis. Francis, are you walking out? Are you walking out?
Highness, it's okay. Take it easy. Take a deep breath. It's okay. Calm down. Come, let me take you to your room. You need to lie down and have some rest.
Didn't you hear me? I said you should take me out of here.
Are you alright?
I can't.
Are you alright?
I can't stay here. I can't.
What is it? What is it?
Didn't you hear that noise?
Noise? What noise? I can't hear any noise.
Don't come to me! No! No! No!
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
I beg you, Francis, don't do this. You need to calm down a bit.
Shut up! Don't explain anything to me! You whore! I am totally disappointed in you.
I'm not a whore, Francis. I'm not.
Where is this one? Jonah! Jonah!
Help me, tell me to calm down. Please help me, beg Francis. I want to explain everything. It's not the time.
Listen, don't explain anything. I don't want to hear your voice. Get me. I knew I'm not a father. Shut up!
Francis!
Pack these things outside the gate to throw them out. Come back, pack her and this bastard boy out! Now!
My queen, please. Help me, Becky. My queen. My queen. Francis, please. Please.
Where are you? Jonah! You're wasting my... Move on.
Please. What is it? Get your hands off me, Francis. Francis, wait a minute, Francis. Francis, get your hands off me.
Don't come back here.
Tell me the true identity of this your son, Michael. Who is he? And why is Francis' DNA different from his?
A lot has happened, Collins. It's a very long story. At least not after what happened the last time that caused the miscarriage. I'm much more careful this time. So, when are you coming back to do your clearance? I miss you, you know that. And it gets really lonely in here.
Lie down there.
Huh? Take whatever it is you want.
Now, pull up everything. Yes. Everything and spread your legs. Now!
Please, just take whatever, anything you want to take.
I said spread your legs! Now! Now! Lie down there.
God. Thank God. What am I doing here?
Don't worry, you'll be fine. You'll be fine.
What happened to me?
Relax, let me get the doctor. Just relax.
Ah! Excuse me, nurse. I've been asking a question since morning and till now I'm yet to get an answer. How did I get here? I really want to know.
Well, a man brought you here yesterday. I don't know his name. He said he picked you up on the road. He was here this afternoon. He's been the one taking care of your bills and other things.
A man? What man?
All you need now is to relax your mind. You'll be alright.
Nurse, how is she doing?
She's fine, sir.
What are you doing here?
He's the man I was telling you about.
Huh? No. No, it can't be him.
So I think you should be leaving. She doesn't need to be disturbed at the moment.
It's alright, Ali. Just take very good care of her, please.
You need to relax too. You'll be alright. I'll go get your drugs.
Cassandra, my daughter, we thank God that you are alive today. You see, Francis called me on phone this evening and told me exactly what happened to you.
Huh? You mean he called you?
Yes, he called me.
You see, Francis is a very good person. Even the doctor has told us how he's been taking care of you.
How did you get my father's phone number?
Francis, my son, you see, I really appreciate your kindness to my daughter. Who knows what would have become of her if you had not come to her rescue. Thank you very much.
It's alright, sir. You don't have to thank me too much. I believe God uses people to bless people. So, it's okay. It's okay. I sent a nurse to get her dinner. I believe the nurse will be back by now.
Oh, that is very good of you. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. And I pray that the Almighty God will bless you with all the good things of this life. In Jesus' name.
Amen. Bless you too.
I don't know how to start to express my gratitude to you. You did not only save the life of my daughter, but you took care of her and also paid the hospital bills. May God reward you abundantly in Jesus' name.
Amen. Amen. Mr. Ruben, we thank God for everything. I'll be on my way now. But I'll be coming from time to time to check on her.
Oh, you are welcome. Anytime, any day. In fact, I want you to take my house as your second home. Please.
Before I leave, this is actually for you in case of any emergencies. If she needs anything, please get something for her.
All this for us. After all you spent in the hospital on her behalf. You are still giving us more money. Oh my God. God will bless you. God will bless you, my son. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Cassandra, please take very good care of yourself. I'll leave now.
It's okay. Bye-bye, my son. My daughter, it is time you told me who this God-sent young man is to you.
Please. Hi. My dear, it's okay. The most important thing is that you are alive. We thank God for that. Yeah, I am alive. But now I have Francis to bother me. Francis frequents this house. He swoops in and out at will. Why? Because my parents have taken a liking to him. Do you blame your parents? You don't have to blame them. My dear, I myself am so impressed. I mean, look, the Francis I knew way back in school, rugged Francis. I'm so impressed at a sudden turnaround, his good exhibition of character. I'm impressed. And he even said he's a prince. Here. So? There he goes again. He's the one.
Sit down.
Francis.
Good to see you. How are you?
See you. Hey. Francis, you're already here.
Yes, I am here.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, Mr. Ruben. How are you today?
I'm fine, my son.
I have some goodies for you. Boys, bring down everything from the trunk. Everything. Hand them over to Mr. Ruben. How are you feeling today?
I'm getting better.
Nice. I'm sorry I didn't come for some days now. You must have missed me. I missed you too.
It's okay. We've been here for some time now. You still have not said a thing as to why we're here.
I'll tell you. I brought you here because I want us to celebrate your recovery. I'm happy. Don't you like it?
You're not a nice person. Why then are you suddenly nice to me?
Well, I'm being nice to you because I'm a changed person now. You've always known me as a bad guy, but that was way back in school. I admit I was rough. I did quite a lot of nasty things, but I did those things out of youthful exuberance. Right now I'm older. I'm wiser. I've changed totally. The Francis of today is not the Francis of yesterday. Believe me. And again, I believe that fate has brought us together.
Well, I'd like to thank you for your kindness towards me in recent times.
It's all right. You don't have to thank me because I'm still going to do more. So much more. I'm ready to do anything, everything, anything for you. Just name it. You know why? Because I love you. Because I have always loved you. Even when we were in school, I did a lot of nasty things, but pardon me, that was the only way I knew I could express myself then. Now I'm older, I'm wiser, I can talk, and I'm talking. I really love you. Believe me, I care about you. I can give you the world. Would you be my wife?
Just when you think it's over, you look inside your heart and discover that you're still in love with the one you love. Because love is stronger, love is stronger. After the pain, love will remain. Love is stronger. Love is stronger. Love is stronger. After the pain, love still remains. Love is stronger.
I will not allow him to trick me into this.
Love is stronger. Love is stronger. Love is stronger. Love is stronger. After the pain, love still remains. Love is strong.
No. Tina, you know me. That sort of proposal, coming from a man like Francis, there's no way I am going to accept that kind of proposal.
Have you told your parents about this?
Tell them. I haven't told them, and I don't even intend to. We both know how much they love and cherish Francis. So, where do I get off telling them this?
Francis is a changed person, judging from his recent reactions.
Don't get upset now. Don't do it.
Listen, my good friend, I'm not trying to get you upset. I'm here to tell you the truth. Yes, go ahead and marry Francis. Francis is rich. He's handsome. Come to think of it, do you know what would have become of you if not for him? And to crown it all, he's a prince. My good friend, don't misuse this opportunity. I'm telling you, I will not mislead you. As your good friend, go ahead and marry him. Okay, I'm going. Take my advice.
I heard what you So Francis has proposed to marry me. You refuse to tell me and your dad. Eh? Cassandra, let me tell you, good men like Francis are hard to find. And like your friend advised you, make good use of this opportunity. This is an opportunity other young ladies like you are looking for. Think. Please. Think.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
What about your parents? Are they home?
No, they went out.
Come with me. I want to show you.
What?
Just when you think it's over, you look inside your heart and discover that you're still in love with the one you love. Because love is stronger.
What am I supposed to?
I bought this car for you.
No, you didn't. What?
Yes.
Oh my God.
You like it?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. See, that's why I said, come with me. I have something to show you.
Yeah.
I'm glad you like it. Hop in. Let's take a ride.
I don't know how to drive.
Don't worry, I came prepared. I'll drive. Get it.
Some days after the proposal, I went to the hospital for medical checkups. And I was stunned when the doctor said, he said that I was 2 weeks gone. I couldn't tell Francis because he hadn't slept with me. So my son is a product of rape. And as for you, I never thought you'd be interested in me again.
I am sorry. I never meant to abandon you. I still love you. And I want you back to me.
Just when you think it's over, you look inside your heart and discover that you're still in love with the one.
All the memories. I can't live with all these memories. No.
I take responsibility for all you've been through. I'm sorry. I still love you and I want you back in my life. We can still make it together as one big family. Please.
What about my son?
I will adopt him as my son. And we shall live together as one big family.
Just when you think it's over, you look inside your heart and discover that you're still in love with the one you love.
sure I can survive this.
It's okay, Your Highness. You'll be all right.
You'll be fine, Father.
You might not believe what I am going to tell you now. I committed many atrocities on this land. See my hands. Blood stains all over. The number of people I have killed. The souls I have wasted, including those two maidens that went missing from the palace. I killed them. I used them to fortify my kingship and kingdom.
Believe this. Father.
Your Highness, please, stop saying this.
I can't. The burden is too much on me. Son, I used your potency as a man. A sacrifice to the brotherhood. You will never impregnate any woman.
Father. You did what? Huh?
See, son, I knew your son, Mike, the one you called your son, is not your son after all. That's why I was anxious to pay Collins off. When he refused, I followed him. I followed him to kill him. But he eluded me.
Father, why? Huh? Why? I mean, what have I done to you to deserve such wickedness? Why me, Father, why?
You see that battle? The battle at Waititi. It was engineered by Omegako and myself. Yes. We needed much blood for the brotherhood.